Hello kids, a very good morning to you all. Kids, tell me if I say like this, good boy Rahul is. Tell me, can we consider it as a sentence? No, it is not a sentence because the words are not arranged properly. Okay, the words are not making any sense. So it is just a group of words and it cannot be considered as a sentence. So today you know what we are going to learn? Today we are going to learn about sentence and its parts. Okay, so let's see what is a sentence. Basically, a sentence contains two parts, subject and predicate. So today we'll study in detail what is a subject and what is a predicate. So kids, what is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words which makes complete sense. Yes, a sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. A group of words that makes complete sense. Okay, so now let's understand the same with the help of few examples. See the words given below. Season, winter is favorite my. Now kids, tell me, do these words make any sense? No, these words do not make any sense. That means it is not a sentence because these words are not making any sense. So now kids, read the same words again arranged in another order. Okay? My favorite season is winter. And here these words are making sense. So it is a sentence. So kids, now I just hope that you have understood what is a sentence. A sentence is a group of words that are arranged in such a manner so that they could make a sense. Okay? And now it's time to learn few rules so that we can easily identify a sentence. So, the first rule is a sentence always begins with a capital letter. Okay, so first word of a sentence will be capital. Rule number second, a sentence usually ends with a full stop. Okay kids. Rule number third, if a sentence asks a question, then it will end with question mark. Okay, so a sentence always starts with a capital letter. First letter will be capital, okay, and it will end with a full stop or a question mark. If we are asking any question, then it will end with question mark. Alright? Now let's learn about the parts of a sentence. Kids, a sentence has two parts, subject and predicate. For example, I have taken a sentence here, winter is my favorite season. In this sentence, the main person here about which or whom we are talking is subject. Okay, and the remaining part is predicate. So here in this sentence, we are talking about winter. Which is my favorite season? Winter. So winter is the main thing here. So it will be considered as subject and is my favorite season, or the remaining part is called predicate. Okay, so which is my favorite season? Winter. So here we are talking about winter in this sentence. So winter will be considered as subject, and the remaining part of the sentence, that is my favorite season, will be considered as predicate. I hope you understood. So now we'll study about subject and predicate in detail with the help of few examples so that no confusion will be there. So what is a subject? The main person or thing spoken about is called the subject. What is the subject? The main person or thing spoken about is called the subject. Let's see few examples. We wear woolen clothes in winter season. So what is subject in this sentence? Who wear woolen clothes in winter season? We. So we is subject. Now let's have a look at the second sentence. Reena likes to drink coffee in winters. So tell me, who likes to drink coffee in winters? Reena. So Reena is subject here. Okay. A subject can be a noun or a pronoun. Okay. Now let's see what is a predicate. Predicate is the remaining part of the sentence. What is said about the subject is called predicate. The matter that we are talking about, the subject, is called predicate. Okay. Now let us understand the predicate with the help of few examples. So here is the first example. Snowfall can be experienced in hilly areas. Where we can experience snowfall? In hilly areas. And I told you that the remaining part of a sentence is predicate. So in this sentence the predicate will be can be experienced in hilly areas. Okay. And here is the next example. Fog is one of the effects of winter season. Tell me, what is fog? Fog is one of the effects of winter season. So in this sentence the predicate will be is one of the effects of winter season. Okay. So I just hope that you have understood today's topic. That's it for today. I'll see you all in the next learning video. Till then, bye bye and take care.